ECMO is a technology that allows us to support the heart and the lungs when they're not working well. The type of patients that need ECMO support are those with severe heart diseases like massive heart attacks, but also patients with severe lung disease where the lungs don't work anymore, they don't provide the oxygen that the body needs.
I took care of a 19-year-old who had an asthma attack, who's now out there on the community, living a normal life, who otherwise would have died without this level of support. Other times it can be somebody who came in with a very acute heart attack, where unfortunately the heart was just without blood for long enough, where it's not strong enough to pump on its own. So we use this device to give them the support that they need.
The donation of the ECMO device allows us to treat these patients when they're at their most critical. This equipment is something that allows us to get them the recovery for them and their family.
We are deeply thankful, but I also want to recognize the ongoing needs of our patients. I want to encourage those who can join our mission. Your help will make a difference.
I just want to say thank you just for giving us the support to help take care of members of the community. And I just want to say thank you to all of our donors to providing that level of support for the folks in the Lehigh Valley.